Okay guys, it is 12:57 and like I said, I usually get hungry about 1 o'clock. Just went on ahead and started because I know I'm gonna get hungry. I was hungry already. So I got some eggs and Brussels sprouts. I cut back on the sauce, so I put the salt and pepper into the Brussels sprouts, and I didn't put anything into the eggs because I don't mind having eggs with no salt and pepper. And then I just got some apple slices because I wasn't sure if that was gonna fill me up or not. And I'm gonna eat it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I'm watching, matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all my screen. Oh, you can't really see though, but you see the GEE, and I think you can see the Bryant. And it's a day in a life. I was listening to previously. I was listening to him talk about the raw vegan challenge that he was doing, and it's so crazy. I can definitely relate on many levels. Like, he's trying to explain it, but you really can't. Like, so he's just advising people to try it, which I'm not saying I'm gonna try it. I don't think I will try it, but what I try to do, I'm gonna try something. But it helped me get through even what I do want to try. Like, I know I'm not gonna try the raw vegan, but even the things that he's saying, like with consistency and wanting something so bad and stuff like that, is kind of like a motivational speech or something, I guess. Something to kind of like keep you in line, something to give you food for thought or look at things a different way. Like, it still helps with what I'm trying to do, even though it's not raw vegan. So I appreciate his content because of that. It's not just towards raw vegan, and he does say that, like, the things that he says can be applied to anything in life. So I like listening to him so far. I think I've only watched like 2 full videos, and I'm about to watch this one. It's only like 10 minutes, but I like the content so far. And besides that, I'm not doing anything. I'm hoping I could just fall asleep, but I'm pretty sure I'll be up to like 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. I hope not. I'm waiting on my video to upload. Not upload, but I had exited out of the app, and so now I'm waiting on the app to bring my stuff back up so that I could finish editing. And I'm so mad because I only had like 15 minutes left of the vlog, so all I had to do was edit those last 15 minutes, which would probably turn into like 3 minutes of actual footage, and then all I had to do after that was like add my music and my transitions. So I'm kind of pissed. Like, little stuff like that be holding me back. That's why I wanted to get this iMac, but even though I got the iMac, I don't know how to work the damn GoPro. And now I see a lot of people only using their keyboard. I'm like, okay, maybe I need to put the mouse down and grab the keyboard, but I'm gonna try that later. I'm also going to set up my I don't know what it is, like you could schedule something and Apple can like meet with you or talk to you on the phone. I don't know how they do it, but you can definitely schedule something. I'm going to be doing that. They called me one day and I didn't answer. I didn't answer. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know if I was doing tutoring. I don't know what the fuck I was doing, but I was so mad because I'm like, why y'all didn't call back? Y'all could at least call back one time. Like, that's so annoying. I don't know. I wouldn't be annoyed if they called twice, because I'm expecting you to call. It was scheduled. Who knows, maybe the call didn't come through or something. Like, I don't know, but I text them. I don't call, I text them. And they act so stupid over text. They be getting my blood pressure high as hell, so I'm not excited about that. But yeah, my gosh, I could eat Brussels sprouts all day, every day. I just might. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But yeah, I'll probably pick the camera back up again tomorrow. So, I'm struggling to eat these last 2 pieces. And let me tell you, it's 1:33 because I eat super fucking slow. It's 1:33 and I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them, and let's see if I can go to sleep in like 30 minutes. Jinx, you owe me a soda.
Thanks, you owe me a soda.
Hi guys. So I told you guys that we have an upcoming funeral. I'm currently pulling up at Sam's, and is that my grandma's truck? I think so. I'm gonna get the hot dogs and hot dog buns. And I think that's it. So that's what I'm gonna bring. Chase gave us these. I think she said it tastes like bubble gum.
I mean, this.
The kids said it smelled like bubble gum. I don't know, but I was like, I want one. Normally I'll be like, oh yeah, they want a sucker. I was like, I want one. She's like, okay, 3 of them coming up. They be so friendly.
The bad one.
So I'm gonna take y'all in there with me. We shouldn't be in there long.
Oh, Mommy, I just realized. It looks like on this side and then on the other.
Okay, they got huge live plants now. And they're cheaper. $17.98. Home Depot could never. They're plastic. Let me get my card out. We found my mom and her mom. Oh no, that's just my grandma.
Great grandma and.
Oh, there's Danetta. There's cousin Netta.
Hey,
I had to go get the hot dogs. There's my mother, guys. She tricked me.
yeah. You ain't using the Chase card, are you?
Yeah.
I was trying to find you. So I can tell you that grandma already got.
What you doing, Milo? With your cat soup.
She don't got enough.
She said she was getting some at Augie's.
Okay, my mom said they don't have hot dog buns. Come over here. And she also said it seems like people that have Chase cards are not able to check out for some reason. I don't even know where to find hot dogs at. Oh, I should have just sent her the money. Ooh, that look good. Hold on, is that? I know Riunetti ain't $6.98 now. Is that a different kind or is this? Move, I'm trying to read this. Or is it different package, same great taste?
Oh my god.
Sangria look good too. Bruh. That looks good. Is it the same? Now why they say only 8% alcohol? Only. People don't want to hear only. Alright. Excuse me. Where can I find hot dogs? Oh look, they have acai bowls. Alright, I'm gonna let them try a sample because I want one too. It's okay. But watch out, don't touch nothing.
You gotta be on the big hot dogs right there. They're real good.
Oh, okay. Y'all wanna try a hot dog? That's what we came for. So we might as well.
There's something back there. That's so many now.
Let me see. Oh, here go the beef franks. Now how much? Oh, it's 40 in there. So I could have just got that. I didn't know they had these big boxes. Not only that, but I came for the 24 pack. Oh, okay, they do got 24 packs. And they cheaper. They $7.48. Thought they was $10. Oh, savings. Hi.
You gonna beef frank?
That's what I was gonna buy. I didn't know they had the 40 pack. Throw your cup away. Oh, they do have hot dog buns. They ain't where they supposed to be. Okay, let me call her because she might want me to just grab them. I'm about to take Keitrell over here so he can try a hot dog. I mean a hamburger, I think. Come on. I'm kind of mad I came out just for this. And then the little restaurant part ain't even open. I could have been at home, in the bed, doing work, looking raggedy. I forgot what these used to be called. Were those Cabbage Patch when I was little?
Mommy, you remember you were gonna give me one of these cars? I found a blender in it.
She said, wow. Oh, they're called Shadow High?
this. Because he bought a lot of stuff and then the car got
Why would you cancel my transaction? What are you talking about?
bigger and then she
Gotta hold it out because when we walk out the door, they're gonna look at it.
it's heavy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You too.
Why didn't you get a bag? Why didn't you get a bag? Why didn't you get a bag? Why didn't you get a bag?
Okay, so we got that out the way. I look cuter without the glasses. I don't like the ponytail though. I think I want to do pigtails.
And then you did it.
I don't know. I think I'm about to stop at this car wash. I know it looked like it's about to rain or whatever, but I keep forgetting to get my car washed and it just looks messed up to me. I feel like even if it rained, it would still look better than it do now. So, and I don't think we expected no rain. I think it just looked like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my car washed. I think I'm starting to get a headache. Bitch, you better not hit my motherfucking car.
Just a lover, can be bad. Is it worth the giving? Is it worth the try? You cannot cleave it, put it in the furnace. You cannot wet it, you cannot burn it. She wants to give, she wants to give all she wants to give me. She wants to give it all she wants to give. She wants to give, she wants to.
See, somebody's receipt was already in there. And then when they gave me my receipt, I had 2 receipts. So now I have 2 receipts to upload on Fetch Rewards because Lord knows June, July, I ain't spending no money like that. So now I got 2 receipts I can use. The Fetch Reward link is in the description below. You guys can go ahead and sign up. I think they're doing, if you sign up, you get a free $2 added onto your account. So take advantage. All you're doing is scanning receipts and then you get like gift cards from
Hey, it's really good.
places like Starbucks. They even have travel ones. They have all kinds of stuff, so check it out.
One thing in life you must understand. The truth of lust, woman to man. Just open the door and you will see. There are no secrets. Make your move, set me free. Because there's something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you. I swear there's something about you, baby.
Just promise me whatever we say, whatever we do to each other. For now, we'll make a vow to just
Keep it in the closet. Maybe you can get it. Is it worth a try? I really want it. I can't deny. It's just desire. I really love it. 'Cause if it's aching, you have to rub it. She wants to give it. She wants to give it. All she wants to give me. She wants to give it. All she wants to make it. Get it. She wants to give it. Yeah. All she wants to give me. She wants to give it. All she wants to give it. Just open the door and you'll see. This passion burns inside. Don't say to me, you never tell. Touch me now, break the move, cast the spell. Because there's something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you. I swear there's something about you, baby, that makes me want.
just promise me whatever we say or do to each other. We'll make a vow forever. Just
Keep it in my closet. She wants to give me. Oh, yeah.
to run to 5 and below or 5 below, whatever, because
It's 5.
because I never really thought about it until I think Chelsea went in there, because she was like 5 and no, she said 5 below. I don't think it's called 5 and below. Then I started thinking like, dang, is it? Because I always say 5 and below, but anyway.
It's 5 below because.
So I gotta go to there. I gotta go there to exchange this car mount. I'm not gonna buy a new one because I would get it from there. It was pretty good. It worked really good. And it worked the longest, I think, out of all of them, but I would go there to get another one. So I'm just gonna go there to exchange. I'll pick the camera back up when we get there. I'm gonna turn that song up. Okay, it's actually called 5 below, not 5 and below.
5 and below.
Cool, they got patio rugs.
I want this one.
All of a sudden, she don't like her phone case. That's too big for your phone anyway. I gotta get your phone cases off Amazon. Oh, they have a different kind.
What about
I hope they have the same kind. I really do like
this
it.
one?
And Mila, none of that. No, your phone gotta be here too. Okay, y'all. I'm finna look. These kids driving me crazy. It's too much going on. Like, it's stuff in my head that I ain't dealt with yet. That is kind of on my mind, not really on my mind. And then it's like stuff that's on my mind, thinking about what I gotta do at home, thinking about what I gotta get in here, make sure I don't forget nothing. Then the kids is talking to me. I can't focus right now, y'all. So,
I found the final.
just a second. Okay. Had to say that on camera because so people can understand like what you really go through, or like when people who vlog be like, oh, I had to not vlog for a while because I had other things going on. That's what goes through my head as a vlogger.
There's a gunto book.
But I think if I don't cover what I just covered up already, I'm about to start a B-roll now because
Hey, Mommy, there's a gunto book. This one.
no, you don't.
Yeah.
Oh, they have dog swimwear. Yeah, I done tore myself up because something was crawling on me in the car. And now I keep scratching myself, like slapping myself and shit, thinking something on me. Oh, I cannot do bugs.
Guys, Dios amigas, sigan ganando historias. Takaya siempre ondos. Mariante Akandasia.
Your item in vlog.
My item was a notebook.
Look at my car. She's so beautiful.
Your car?
Okay, so I had to buy another set of clippers for Keitrell so I can cut his hair. I ordered this off Amazon because it only took a couple hours to get here. I think this one was $69. $69.99. That's a trimmer. Don't have me acting like I know what I'm talking about. I just know what to do, so I'm gonna cut his hair. So this is my phone camera. I don't have any filter on here. I do have makeup on, but even when I had makeup on previously, I would never use my phone camera because I felt like I needed a filter, like my face wasn't clear enough, and my face is looking really good. So I am happy to be able to not need a filter.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you?